In my retirement years, I spent a lot of time on the golf course and traveling with my lovely wife. Quattro allows me to do all that with greater ease, comfort, and confidence. The Quattro's golfing mode helps my golf game substantially because what it does is it allows me to put it into a preset flex position so I can use my entire lower body in my swing, and that when I shift my weight from my right side to my left side, I don't worry about losing my balance or falling over. The Quattro also helps me in golfing in that it allows me with confidence to walk up and down slopes on the golf course, and it gives me greater ease in getting in and out of the golf cart. I travel all over the world, and traveling with the Quattro is really great. The flexion lock allows me to lock it into a particular position that allows me to don my prosthetic much easier. I have the confidence of knowing I have a 2-day charge from the battery pack, and in addition to that, I've got 2 extra days from the booster pack. With Quattro, getting into the car is made easier because the knee bends more quickly, making it easier to enter the car. Charging the Quattro is really easy because it works with a magnetic port feature that attaches itself to the receptacle, and so therefore I know it's charging. I really like the app because it allows me to do a couple of things. One is change the mode on my phone simply, and the other is to change the settings within the modes depending on how I'm feeling walking or moving that particular day. Everybody walks differently, and the Quattro allows me to walk like me. I walk like Jack. So if you love golf as much as I do, and you want to improve your game, you'll love the Quattro.